On the first we'll get this big tree.
Yeah, we got it.
Then we'll hit
that big tree.
Then we'll hit that one big.
Yeah.
Alright, this big one first.
Big one.
Maybe.
Oh, what?
They gotta see the
Oh, what?
And this is the kind of tree we get the bark from.
Oh, you put in much, yeah? In this t-shirt, yeah?
I don't know which one.
Oh, we just do it or... Yeah, I just do it, take it off.
Well, when we like throwing it, we get big ones.
Where do you throw it?
We throw it at the people when they're coming in, when they're bringing the boys in. We throw it, and after we throw it, they chase us. Then we have to run.
And put us in there.
And if
Yeah,
we get caught, we get put in the smoke. And none of us don't like that.
Makes you go grey.
Yeah, they're too small or what? Not that one? Really?
Apple,
Spots in there too.
lemon, and all. So we're gonna all put it together. And yes, we're gonna have some fun tomorrow.
Hello!
Hey Leroy, Samuel, hey Leroy, grab Leroy.
Dominic, no more, Dominic.
Get in the back, huh?